Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come on guys, let's deal with the tricky subjects here. You need to choose the verb according to the subject, whether it is singular or plural. So let's see. Number 1. No one has or have taken out the rubbish today. So what do you think? What's the right answer? For this, you need to understand something else. Let me connect the left hand side words to the right hand side. Let's read it out together. Everyone, everything, everybody. Someone, something, somebody. No one, nothing, nobody. Anyone, anything, anybody. So guys, answer me. Do you like everyone probably in real life? You don't like everyone, I know. In grammar, you will not like the pronoun everyone either. Why? Why? Everyone is a tricky subject. These all are singular subjects. Everyone is a tricky subject. Everyone sounds like more than one. In other words, everyone appears to be plural word. However, everyone is actually a singular word. Singular subject. And singular subject takes singular subjects take singular verb. You have to remember this. So here is our question number 1. No one has or have taken out the rubbish today. So no one is singular subject. As I told you, no one is singular subject, so it takes singular verb. So has is singular verb. Anything was were possible when Henry helped. Anything singular subject. It takes was. Everybody needs need a dictionary. Which one is correct? As I told you, everybody is singular subject, so it takes singular verb needs. Everybody needs a dictionary. Both include misspelled words. So here you need to know about some more words. Example: both, few, many, several. These are all plurals, plural subjects. Plural subjects, which takes the plural verbs. You have to remember these things. So here plural is include, both is plural subject, so it takes include. Sally said that someone is or poisoning the soup. Sally is singular subject. It takes is. Nobody is or the blame for that accident. As I already told you, nobody is a singular subject. So what do you think? Which verb it will take? Is or are? So write down your answer in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for such more videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.